Is a big tree with red flowers. There are a lot of birds, small birds, sparrows, chirping, singing, dancing, moving around and praying to God, maybe for human beings. Since there are many flowers, it's difficult to find out the birds, but we can see the birds moving around, flying here and there, singing with joy. More than 50 birds are there. Since the flowers are red in color, it's not visible. We can see them flying. It's a tall tree with many branches. More than 10,000 flowers are there. It's a beautiful scenery of nature. It would intoxicate the minds of humans in the early morning. Wonderful, marvelous. Every morning they do this. I hope you too would like it. Please subscribe.